to another video on the ST, hope you're well. So, in a lot of my recent videos, some of you have actually noticed, or may have noticed, that the front grille on the car is missing. And you've either questioned it, and I've just sort of been a bit elusive, or actually I've told you. But basically, when I actually was considering what to do about the front grille, because the old gel badges just looked hideous, and the previous person who had this car like hand spray painted the grills, and they're just not that great. I didn't want that kind of textured look, and a bit of the paint was flaking, so it just looked crap. So yeah, I asked a few people if I should just get it resprayed and new badges, or I should get it debadged. And generally, people wanted debadged, which actually I was quite thankful for, because I was swaying that way. I'd seen some pictures of these Mark 6s in black, like the all black look, looking like proper blacked out, like mean. It just looked ace. So I'll pop up a link to the guy who actually makes the debadged grills, and he can paint them for you. I just going to primer it because I'm using a body shop, hopefully for the future, when I go and get parts of the exterior redone properly. So I've got it sent to him, and basically I'm on my way there now, and hopefully it should be nice gloss black. Not that horrible textured, just sprayed gloss black and you think it looks, no, I want that like kind of factory look. So hopefully the next clip is me back at home with the new grille, happy.
3 weeks later.
Right everyone, so back home, and for you keen-eyed viewers, you might have noticed my attire has changed. That's because after picking it up, what I actually was thinking was I didn't want to install it straight away, because as you know, the headlights are getting changed, and I thought while the grille's out it's just a little bit easier, because it's something you're going to have to remove to pop the headlights out and put the new ones in. So without further ado, here is the grille, and it looks so good. I mean, actually it probably doesn't look that good when it's just like that, but let me see if I can get it to focus. But honestly, look at the gloss on that. That's not just someone using a spray can. That has been professionally done at a body shop. It is super, super slick. There is no texture whatsoever. Now, if you are looking to get one of these debadged grills, it's a guy on Instagram called g.sarge_80. I'll probably just pop up a little sort of name tag right now so you can see. But basically, go out and check him out. His work is proper pro. I mean, I don't know if you can see that, how it comes across, but there is no evidence that this ever had a Ford badge on it. It is absolutely amazing. But the reason I just got it primered from him and done professionally at an actual sort of body shop place was because I wanted to go there in person and talk to him about my future plans of obviously having the front bumper done, the rear bumper done, as you know if you follow the channel, all the grills, etc, etc. So I was able to go there, talk to him, but also see his work on something, and I am really pleasantly surprised. There's no texture. If you could feel it, it feels so nice. But without further ado, let's get the bonnet up, and let's get this installed. Looks so good. Now actually, you know what, I was thinking the camera from that angle, plus with the extremely bright light behind me, doesn't do this justice. So I'm going to take the camera off and we'll look at it in properly more closer detail. Oh, that looks so, so good. I love that clean look at the front, and I think that's one of the things that I really like about the debadged grills, is by removing the actual Ford badge, it actually gives the front of the car like a wider look, like a bit of a wider stance. It cleans it up, you've got no distractions. That horizontal line just keeps flowing, and it looks so, so, so nice. These headlights, desperately, LK2, if you're watching, you know, obviously you know I've bombarded you with messages. I'm dying to get those black headlights in. That'll really finish off the front of the car. They really do let it down because they're so bright. I mean, I've polished them up, they look pretty good. But yeah, they do let it down. But let's have a little bit of a closer look at the gloss on that. Now that is a professional job. That is super smooth. It's like glass. Honestly, that's what it feels like. It feels like glass. So, so good compared to this stuff. I can't wait to get all these black plastics. I mean, look at that horrible texture. I want this. Yeah, that looks ace. The reg plates let it down. That's fine, gotta keep it road legal. But when I'm doing my own stuff, maybe on the driveway, or maybe, you know, obviously definitely for shows, I will be getting my show plates, which hopefully should be arriving quite soon, and they'll be black and, have a guess? I don't think I need to say, but they'll be black and something, and when I take them off and I put my show plates on, the front of the car with the black headlights will look mean as, yeah, can't wait for that. But yeah, really happy with that. So anyway, everyone, I think this video has probably ended up a little bit longer than I wanted. At the end of the day, it is about just a debadge grill, nothing else. Sorry for the fact it's probably ended up a little bit long. Really appreciate if you're taking the time to watch this. Always really appreciate a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the little bell icon to keep up to date with future videos. Hopefully I've got some more mods coming your way very soon. Thanks all for watching. See you again soon. Bye.